Alright guys, so today the mic might not be working, but hopefully it is. And hopefully the angle is good because I don't know. And we're gonna go hit these jumps on Grants Trail. And yeah, most of them got destroyed from somewhat, but there's still a couple there, so we're gonna go hit those and it should be a pretty good video. Let's go. Whoa, the bike's on.
Top the Benz, but I'm bringing out the Porsche today. We ride Porsches in the rain. And let me know cupping, I got ice up on my chain. They started skating on me since I can get the
So I don't know if you guys have been tapped in with Brandon or not, but he's been uploading every Wednesday. Hope y'all go subscribe to him. He's actually been locked in, bro. He deserves it. He's literally been tapped in on YouTube for a hot minute now, like 3 weeks in a row, I think. Every Wednesday he's been uploading, so good for him. Hopefully I can get the same thing going. But yeah, definitely go subscribe to him. His channel will be right on the screen right now. And yeah, there's this good little trail out in Grant. There's a good little trail off of Grants Trail for some jumps. And then there's trail riding. Okay, is it good? Wait, we're good. Oh, that one, I don't know why that hurt. My pants are coming up. It feels so good out. We're on spring break right now. It feels so good. But I'm gonna be mad thirsty.
Oh, guns kill me. Yes, pencils.
I don't know what that says. Brandon was just reading it out. But I don't know what it says. Brandon! Hi, Brandon. Oh my gosh, no way. No way. Oh my gosh, no way. Why won't this stay in my phone? I need to move out the room. Alright guys, so we just got done getting a little bev at the Mick. We're about to go to the jumps. I can't get my mic to stay in my phone, so there's gonna be all audio from the GoPro today. I'm sorry. All audio from the GoPro.
Why you gotta apologize?
Because at least I'm getting a video out though, so we should do a bike swap for a little bit.
So,
Actually, Let's do it.
Alright.
Until when?
Um,
We'll just figure it out.
until the road part, until we switch up to where on the road.
I know what you mean. Are you ready? Alright guys. We're running E-Ride Pro. Brandon's E-Ride right now. Smooth sailing. Low-key, we're pretty good this way. No, that's heat. That's heat, bro. That's heat. Hey, nice throwing, bro. Oh my god, no, they're just showing love. It's okay. Have to fix them. I love this guy's bike, but his regen is so strong, bro. I can't. I need to give me a big full-size, not full-size bike, but you know, a nice little bike. I need to give me a nice little bike. I'm bro. I really want like either an E-Ride like how Brandon has, or a 79 bike. I'm not sure which one yet. Probably the 79 bike just because it's a little cheaper, but a little faster. Is it a little cheaper right now? I don't know, I think it might be 4 right now. I'm hitting the jump on his bike. I'm going to eco, so I'll crash.
You're good, keep on going, you're good.
He's letting me to keep taking it. Just pick this. This chain is so loose, bro. Let's see, how am I doing on turn right now? Oh, this is small. Let's hit a quick little 50 ball. Dude, I need me a big bike like this. I know the E-Ride is one of the best options just because they're like, they look like it's wrong, but they're really smooth, and I heard the only downside is like the error codes, so I don't know. I feel so tall on his bike. I need me a good bike. I need to buy myself though, so I'm not restricted. This bike just needs the bumps. Like if I was playing video and I did that, it would just like, I would have to protect all my hands back on. Oh! I just ran over like a branch. Alright.
This bike is so much fun. I don't know how you don't do it.
Swerve. Oh, it just told me to wait to cross.
Yeah, if you hold it.
Wait to cross union. Wait to cross union. Walk sign is on to cross union.
Oh my gosh, it does feel like a little roller coaster now that I'm back on it, bro. the wild?
Get him.
No, Brennan.
You get us some Thanksgiving dinner, bro. I got this.
Wow.
Here it goes on.
Oh, pretty. Brennan? Oh, that's really bad. That's really bad. That's really bad. That's really bad. That's like really bad. That's why I turned around. Hey, I just saw a guy go that way though. We could see.
Yeah, the pizza that we took last.
Let's go this way. Hate gravel, bro. Street view. Put me on street view. Put me on street view. Street view. Huh?
It's the Google Earth car. Go.
You wanna go? Yo,
You think Google Earth? Sure.
we can go try again.
Want to squeeze it?
Let's go.
All right, bet.
Just here yesterday. This was not all like this. Wow, somebody's been here. Oh, crap. Still too bad. Not too bad. Here we go. Drift this. Oh, I cased that so bad.
It's the same thing. We don't case.
I cased that so bad. Nice, that one's clean. I gotta send it even more. Oh, nice, clean. That one was clean.
Love My tongue get twisted and I don't know what to say. Should've picked up the phone, but my pride got in the way. Only 19 and we was in and out of state. By the time I turned 20, I was opening up for gates. And before the money, we had everything. Should've took you out the country, but was scared of planes. All the niggas I came in the game with either faded or they still on the same shit. But Noonie, he lane switched to arena tours, marble floors. Gave my life to my dream, but my heart was yours. I get made it out the trenches, really went the distance. Something they can't ignore. Rappers pretend to be friends, but they really wanna pass me. Wave, let's do a song, that's the first thing they ask me. Jumbo trying jumping like I came off the grassy. $20 million mansion like an athlete. But my house ain't a home, cause I'm in it alone. Couldn't right my wrong, so I was writing songs. Such a successful life, but my heart is gone. Waiting for you to call my phone, cause I don't know.
Here, watch out.
Yeah, my bad. We'll let him get set. Oof. He's kind of in the way of the other jump, but it's okay. Closer to the jump.
Closer?
If you trust that, I mean.
It's at an angle.
Here, we'll try it like this. Hopefully he's ready. Ready? Oh yeah, that was nice. Let me see that. You got it.
I mean, I would say, am I back in the background, like behind the jump?
Okay, that could work. Ooh, I just gave it normal in the air. It scared me. Just gonna hit this jump backwards. Should I get him my reps in? Alright, I think he's ready. My foot kind of came off my peg there. Alright, I hope he's ready. Nice, that was clean.
You perfectly lining up with the bike.
Dang. That could be good right there. Yeah. Oh my god. Appreciate it. What do you want for yours? Just you and a wheelie?
Whenever we're going down Grand Trail, we can get it. It's just gonna be me wheeling. Like, I'm gonna just wheelie past you pretty much and just like get a picture.
I'm landing these clean. Awesome. Can't wait for him to get that out the way.
Beat him up, beat him up, beat him up, beat him up. I was seeing double in the projects, mad at myself, learned to put it to the side. Mama had to cater for the coupe that we rode at the school on the way to Popeyes. And niggas wanna play both sides, it's a red dot, don't get on the wrong red eye. It's a headshot, they can't woo them guys. Fuck around and bury two of them guys. I'm OD in Paris, I'm OD in France. I thought that I told you I need the advance. Put down your IG and look through my lens. A million to grandma, who did I offend? The girl of your dreams, to me is a fan. I netted 10 million and did a little dance. I'm fucking the world, I ends in my pants. My Uncle G told me that I had a chance. So then I popped out and did it again, and did it again, and did it again. I cannot respect them, where did he begin? Advice from the council, let nobody in. Been swearing through rumors, avoiding the trends. And ducking the holes, I'm ducking the loony that come with the show. I'm grateful to man, he opened up doors. They bung on they tour bus to come and compose. I reach to the stars on my tippy toes. This greatest success where most niggas fold. I tell you my past, that shit don't get old. But how could you ask like I don't be right?
throttle on that. They're almost all dried up now, looks like. I know there's some big ones coming up here. I'll slow down a little bit. Yeah, I know there's a big one. What happened?
Oh, it almost straight through it, bro.
There's somebody up here on the good part of the track too. Unfortunate, bro. Oh, he's on that back. Oh, my head's starting to hurt.
You had it back?
Yeah. Hey, you want me to get it on my phone, I guess?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. You're gonna have to let me know when. Huh?
Right here should work.
Okay, you're gonna go that way.
Yeah.
I think that one was good. It sounded like 9/16 though.
What?
It sounded like 16.9.
That's it.
Alright, bet. Ow.
Is it live?
No, I don't think so.
Here, can you try it again? Turn on live though.
There we go. Now I gotta turn on my phone. I think I got a good one right here. Oh, that one's great. I got a really good one.
Oh, heck yeah. Appreciate it.
Yes, sir. Oh my gosh, my head hurts. We should get back.
Yeah. Ready?
Oh crap, hold on. Alright. Let's get on out of here. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, check out Brandon's channel. He's also posting. He posts every Wednesday. So yeah. Alright, see you guys. Wait.
Top the Benz, but I'm bringing out the